Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English Version Math, Measurement Chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 20. The length of a rectangular reservoir is 5.5 meters. The breadth is 4 meters and the height is 2 meters. If the reservoir is full of water, what is the volume of water in liters and its weight in kg? So we have to find two things: volume and weight. And volume has to be in liters and weight in kilogram. Reservoir is rectangular. Rectangular means the length is longer than width or breadth. And is full of water. Length is 5.5 meter, width is 4 meter, and height is 2 meters. And we have to find the volume, and we know volume will be cubic meter because the length, height and weight and breadth is given in meter. So cubic meter and we have to find the volume in liters. So we have to convert the cubic meter into liter, and from liter we have to find the weight in kilogram. So now the volume of reservoir, VOIR, equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height equals to 5.5 into 4 is 22, multiplied by 22 is 44. So 44 meter into meter into meter is cubic meter. So volume of reservoir is 44 cubic meter. Now we have to convert it to liter. We know in case of water 1 cubic meter equals to 1 liter. 1000 liter actually. 1000 liters. Therefore 44 cubic meters equals to 44 into 1000 liters equals to 44,000 liters. Now, is there any relation between liter and kilogram? Yes. We know weight of 1 liter water, 1 liter water equals to weight of 1 liter water. It has to be pure water, not dirty water. So weight of 1 liter water is 1 kilogram. So now we know the 44,000 liters will weigh, therefore weight of 44,000 liters water equals to 1 into 44,000. 44,000 kilogram equals to 44,000 kilogram. So we got both answers. In liter it is 44,000 liter, in kilogram the weight is 44,000 kilogram. Answer: volume is 44,000 liters, weight is 44,000 kilograms. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.